Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my smoked chicken and cheese fritters with a creamy mustard dressing. Pretty simple dish, really tasty and great for summertime. Alright, let's just get on with it. Alright, in a bowl here I have got about 175 grams worth of smoked chicken, and I actually cut that off the breast myself and cut it up and slice it up into nice little chunks. If you don't want to do that, you can already get it from the delicatessen. Alright, I'm adding in 2 spring onions finely diced up, putting that straight in just like that. Okay, and as far as ingredients go with this, it's pretty simple. Alright, so I'm adding in about half a cup's worth of grated tasty cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. Freshly ground black pepper to taste, probably around about half a teaspoon's worth in my book. Alright, so just add that in. Absolutely beautiful this. Right, very simple. Okay, so just keep mixing that through, and here I've got 1 large egg. Right, it's a double yolk egg. Alright, so we want to give that all a good mix through, just like that. Pretty simple. Right, and that egg's going to help combine everything together. Right, and if you haven't had like a cheesy fritter before, wow, you don't know what you're missing. It does taste amazing. Alright, I'm going to add in about half a cup's worth of self-raising flour. That can go in, and that's going to all of a sudden help become our glue for our little fritters. So once again, give all of that a good stir, just like that. And as you can see, things are coming together. Because my egg was so large, I've added in just a little bit more. If you're going with the normal 60 gram egg, the quantities I've given you will be fine. But we get our eggs from a free range farm, and some of these are absolutely huge. So I've had to change the recipe up just a little bit for this particular egg. Alright, so we just want everything to be combined. We don't want it sloppy, we don't want it thick, we just want that Goldilocks type consistency, and you'll see that as the video goes on as to what the consistency is going to be. Alright, so just keep mixing that through. Now we've got a oven tray lined with a bit of oven paper, sprayed down with a bit of spray oil, and we're not going to fry these fritters. We're trying to eliminate some of the unappealing health aspects to a dish that could potentially be like this. So we're just going to scoop out our mixture onto that baking paper. No rules for size or thickness or anything like that. Just make them all sort of even-ish if you possibly can. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, and all we have to simply do when we're ready, we're going to put that into the oven. Alright, I'm going to make up our dressing. A good teaspoon's worth of Dijon mustard. I'm going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth of Kewpie mayo. I'm also going to add in about a teaspoon's worth of red wine vinegar, and just a little dash of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you want. So I keep these little jars at all times because they're so good for making a really quick dressing. Right, put the lid on, give it a little good shaky shake like that, and before you know it, you've ended up with a really nice creamy type of dressing. Really easy to do. Alright, those little fritters, they're going off into the oven around about sort of 10 to 12 minutes or so. All we have to do is cook the egg off, and once those come out looking golden brown, I'm going to serve that up with some lettuce leaf, just like that. Pretty simple and good looking, this one. This dish will not take you very long at all to make, and all we have to do now is spoon over our beautiful creamy dressing just like that, and you've got KP's smoked chicken and cheese fritters with creamy mustard dressing. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get Gnome and KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, we're going to learn how to make something pretty quick and easy for springtime like this one. We need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my smoked chicken and cheese fritters with my creamy mustard dressing, and I will catch you next time. Bye.